guys, my name is April and today I'm going to be showing you how to paint this dollar store tin and turn it into this, which I think is really cute. It was a lot of fun to make, really super easy, super cheap.
So for supplies I used paint, a paintbrush, sandpaper, the pawn pieces from the chess game, the flower tin, and the flowers. I used Rust-Oleum chalked ultra matte linen white paint, but I would actually suggest using spray paint if you have it. I just had regular paint on hand, so that's what I used. The gloves are also from the dollar store. If you do use paint, just be aware that it kind of separates on the tin during the first coat, and I did apply 3 coats and let it dry in between each coat. Here it's all done. I was actually inspired by a YouTuber to make this. I can't think of her name right now, but she freehand drew on it with a marker, and I tried with paint and it turned out horrible. So I quickly painted over it. And I decided to sand it instead. And I actually really like the way it turned out. You do have to sand a lot, at least with the sandpaper that I used. I don't know why I used that sandpaper and not the dollar store that I bought. I just had that laying next to me, so I grabbed it. And here it's all done. I do wish that I had done a better job on the sanding so it didn't look so cheetah-like. Here I'm just pulling off the pawn pieces from the chess game and hot gluing them to the bottom. Hot glue works fine, but it's not very strong. So depending on what you're going to be putting in the tin, I guess would depend on what kind of glue you should use. And I did paint over the sticker. I would probably suggest taking the sticker off. And here it is. I'm just showing you different ideas on what you could use it for. I'm actually going to use mine for my garden seats. I think it's really cute because it says flowers and garden. You could store your paintbrushes and stirring sticks. Here I just painted 2 dollar store glass candlesticks, or candlestick holders, flipped them upside down, put some reindeer moss and eggs from the dollar store, and then some of that ribbon, tied it in a bow and hot glued it to the front, and that's all from the dollar store. How many times can I say dollar store? And that's it. See you next time.